What is up guys, Stan at the site. In this video, I'm going to compare two of the softwares which are LM Studio and Ollama. So, both can let you run large language models directly on your device. No cloud, no API, no data leaks. But which one should you choose? Let's break it down. So first, let's discuss about what are they. So LM Studio is a local AI chat interface that lets you download, run, and interact with open source models like LLaMA 3, Mistral, and Gamma, and more. It's popular for its clean UI, built-in model marketplace, and support for prompt templates and GPU acceleration. Whereas Ollama is a developer-first CLI and runtime that simplifies the process of downloading and running AI models with just one command, which is Ollama run Mistral. It's designed for simplicity, scripting, and fast local deployments, ideal for developers building apps with embedded LLMs. Now, let's move to the use case comparison. Here's how they differ. LM Studio is for chatting, experimenting, and exploring AI models. Think ChatGPT, but running 100% on your machine with any model you choose. Llama is more of a backend framework. It's perfect if you are building apps, services, or AI agents that run locally with APIs and containerized model environments like LLMs. So the verdict is for chatting and testing modes or models with UI, go with LM Studio. And for developer building LLM apps, Ollama is unmatched. Now, let's move to the another step, which is privacy, API, and ecosystem. So both are offline first and open source, meaning no internet required, full control over your data, and use any GGUF model locally. But LM Studio focuses on local chats and personal use, whereas Ollama offers an API so you can connect it to tools like LangChain, Python apps, Node.js, and more. Also, Ollama is now widely supported in open source AI agent frameworks, making it a go-to tool for automation in 2025. So, in the verdict, if you need an AI you can talk to or go for LM Studio. If you want to build apps with AI, you should choose Ollama. And now, let's move to the final verdict. So, which local AI tool is better in 2025? You should choose LM Studio if you want a simple, beautiful chat interface and love trying new models and prefer no coding and full offline use. And you should choose Llama if you are a developer or AI builder and want to integrate models into apps and workflows. And you prefer a clean command line plus API based setup. So, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.